Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about finding the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. So let's assume that we have the point x1, y1, and x2, y2. And I'm going to go ahead and just plot these. So these are just going to be two random points. x1, y1, and then x2, y2. Now I'm going to do a little bit of drawing here. Draw a line straight down from the point x1, y1, and then straight across from the point x2, y2. So these, of course, meet at a 90-degree angle. And then we can draw the line directly between them, which we're going to label D for that length. But now we know something about D, because you may remember the Pythagorean Theorem. That's c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Well, here our c is D, so I'll go ahead and make that change. But now what are our a and b? So this line is going in the x direction. So we can actually find that is x2 minus x1. And same thing with the vertical line here. That's going to be, in this case, y1 minus y2, but to keep things consistent, I'm going to go y2 minus y1. Because in the end, we're squaring this anyway, so if it ends up being a negative number, that doesn't matter. So we end up getting d squared is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And then if we take the square root of both sides, we get d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So, we can go ahead and use this to find the distance between a pair of points on the coordinate plane. Let's use the points -1, 4, and 3, 3, -2. So applying the formula here, we get D is equal to the square root of x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is -1, so it's going to end up being plus 1 squared, plus y2, which is -2, minus y1, which is 4 squared. So simplifying, I get d equals the square root of 4 squared plus -6 squared. D equals the square root of 16 plus 36. So D equals the square root of 52. And we can simplify this because 52 is 4 times 13. And we know the square root of 4 is 2. So we get 2 times the square root of 13. And remember, we are talking distance here, so when we take that square root, we do not have to worry about plus or minus. So that will conclude this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about finding the midpoint of a line segment.